Okay, so you run a business and you want to sell to the female consumer. But how do you craft a promotion that gets you actual sales? Well, initially, you might try to engage women by focusing on out-of-date stereotypes from years gone by. But soon you will come to realize that moving beyond cliches and finding more relevant ways to engage is more likely to produce the results you desire. What if there was a way that you could market to women in a way that makes them feel informed, empowered, or encouraged through promotion with a message which connects directly with the female shopper? Well, now there is. Introducing ACHI magazine. ACHI magazine will get your business the promotion that you need. Here's how. You will get exposure to a captive audience that has a close relationship with our magazine. A physical copy is delivered to the homes of our members from Delaware to Florida every 6 months. And we also offer our content to the public both nationally and internationally through our free app. A member of our team will work with you to create a promotional campaign within our magazine, which will directly appeal to the needs of our readers. Additionally, we will help you navigate away from false stereotypes, which only serve to further alienate the reader, and help you avoid losing valuable sales. Sound good? Then contact us today using the online chat, and let's discuss how we can promote your business.